Welcome, here I've got Meizu M8 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off device watermark in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner button, so when we pick it we can open the camera settings with device watermark option. By using the button from the right we can easily turn it on and turn it off as we need, and here we have also extra thing. We can add date stamp watermark to our picture, also by tapping on the right button. With it we can turn it on and off, so let me keep turn it on both, and let's move back to the camera to take a picture to see them at the real one. Now we have to tap to right to the button that follows us straight to the gallery, and this is my photo with Meizu watermark in the left corner at the bottom. We can get closer to it. So this is how it looks like, Meizu M8 dual camera, and from the right we have the timestamp. And of course when we don't need them or need only one of this, we have to move back to the camera, then to the right corner settings, and use this as we need or just turn them off. That's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.